안녕하세요. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will going to teach you how much you can understand and use in daily situation. To greeting your friend and ordering yummy Korean food, to shopping and traveling around in South Korea, stick around because by the end of this video, you will be able to recognize and say one of the most useful Korean words. Let's start with the greeting and the polite expression. First thing you will have to know when you're meeting people. First, 안녕하세요. I will say slowly. 안녕하세요. This is the polite hello that you can use the most of situation to strangers or older people, anybody. You will hear everywhere in South Korea, walking into the shop or meeting someone new, everywhere in South Korean street. Number 2, 안녕. I will say slowly again. 안녕. Word 안녕 itself means peace or well-being. And this is a form of hey that you can use friends and family, anybody you're close with. Simple 안녕 with the wave is perfect for hello or goodbye. Number 3, 감사합니다. I will say slowly again. 감사합니다. This is a polite thank you. You can use it to show gratitude in any situation. For example, handsome Korean oppa says, "Oh my god, you're so pretty." Then we can say 감사합니다. Number 4, 죄송합니다. Slowly, 죄송합니다. This is a formal apology. You can use 죄송합니다 if you bump into someone in subway or need to excuse yourself for a mistake. Number 5, 네. This is a formal type of yes that you can say to older people or in formal situation. Koreans often say 네 during the conversation to show they're listening to you. So do not surprise if they're saying 네 often. Number 6, 아니요. Use 아니요 to polite disagree or say no. If someone offers you food but you're full, then you can smile and just say 아니요, 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요, we will learn it next. Number 7, 저기요. Use 저기요 to call out someone politely. For example, getting waiters' attention in cafe or saying excuse me to strangers, you can just say 저기요. Number 8, 괜찮아요. Use this to say I'm alright or no problem. Also, if someone applauds you, then you can reply 괜찮아요, no problem. Number 9, 만나서 반가워요. This literal meaning is I'm glad because I met you. So, you will use this when you first time meet people, and it is mostly often used after 안녕하세요. Number 10, 안녕히 가세요. This polite form of goodbye, literal meaning is go peacefully. But if you're leaving, you can say 안녕히 계세요 to say goodbye, which means stay peacefully. With these 10 basic phrases, you can handle basic greeting, polite expression, or say hello or goodbye. Now let's move on to the Korean words related to food. Everyone loves food, right? Whether you're just visiting South Korea or eating in a Korean restaurant, this food-related word will help you a lot. Number 11, 물. Please repeat after me. 물. In Korea, mostly, water and additional side dish like a kimchi is a free and mostly it's self-served. But if you don't know where is the water, just you can tell the owner, 물 주세요. One more time. 물 주세요. Number 12, 밥. Repeat after me. 밥. 밥 means cooked rice, but Korean often use this word as a food or meal. If Korean people ask you, 밥 먹었어요? Which means have you eaten? But it often used as a how are you? Or did you all fed? Or are you healthy? Or well-being? Something like that. Also, Korean often say, 언제 한번 밥 먹자. That means we need to catch up. Number 13, 맛있어요. Please repeat after me. 맛있어요. Use this phrase to compliment your food when you go to Korean restaurant. Number 14, 배고파요. Please repeat after me. 배고파요. 배고파요 is a polite way to say I'm hungry. Number 15, 배불러요. Please repeat after me. 배불러요. After you eat delicious Korean food in Korean restaurant, then you can say, 아, 배불러요. 감사합니다. Which means, I'm full. Thank you. Number 16, 주세요. One more time. 주세요. This is a magic word you can use every time when you want something or when you're asking for something. If you want water, then you can say 물 주세요. Or if you want beer, then you can say 맥주 한 병 주세요. Which means please give me 1 bottle of beer. Also, how do you say if you want 1 glass of soju? Which means 소주 한 잔 주세요. This phrase will become very handy in any shopping or dining context. Number 17, 김치. Please repeat after me. 김치. This is the famous spicy fermented cabbage that Koreans eat in daily life. Also, if you take a photo, a lot of Koreans say kimchi. Number 18, coffee. Please repeat after me. Coffee. This is a loan word from English, coffee, but with the Korean accent. We call this Konglish. If you want a glass of coffee, you can say 커피 한 잔 주세요. This phrase will be very useful in Korean cafe. Number 19, 맥주. Please repeat after me. 맥주. Also, another useful phrase, cheers, is 건배. So, you can use this phrase when you're drinking with your Korean friend. Not everybody cannot eat spicy food well, you know. If you want to say, I'm not good at eating spicy food, we say 매운 거 잘 못 먹어요.